Hey, hello guys. Today I gotta do the air dryer replacement for the Freightliner Century 08 right here. Okay, and I just bought a new part. It's cost me around like $35. It's come with the O-ring gasket. Just a spin-on air dryer. Alright. And for this job, you need this tool right here. Notice to remove it, and the brake part cleaner, and some towel to clean it. On the after you remove it, clean it real good, and then put it on. Alright, and first thing you need to consider to empty your air tanks to 0. It's very important. You want to be like, it's part on your eyes when you open it. It's completely out of air right now, no more. And this is the air dryer. It's located on the left bottom under the driver's seat. Okay. And you should put like a little bit oil on the O-ring and the gaskets to make the shoe tight. Just very light amount, very light. Just a little bit. Okay, and O-ring too. Okay. Here, like, it's pretty small room over here, so you had to like get the wrench on this side, lock it, and twist this from right to left. Like, if it is tight, you have to use a lot of torque to get it to move it. No, just sleep. Okay, finally I got it off. It's moving. Okay, so we had to clean up the surface, clean all the grease right here. Okay, I just cleaned it. It's look good now, and we're ready to install a new one. Okay, I got a new one in. Don't forget to put the O-ring at the center. Alright, and tie it in. It's pretty tight over here area. You have to move, like, squeeze it around this cable. Just squeeze it this side and then go in. You don't have to take it off. So I got it all tied up, nice and clean. Alright, and now we gotta start up the engine and check for leak. Make sure there's no leaking in here. Okay, now crank it up and build up some air and then check for leaking. So after I build up the air and I check here, it's no leaking, any noise, and it should be okay. So this is the old one I took up, and it's had like, I got it like maybe like 2 or 3 years without changing it. I think you guys should change it every like 1 years to working properly. Okay guys, so far that's pretty simple, but you need some tool, and you know it's pretty hard to take it off in small room. Okay, it takes like 30 minutes. Okay guys, if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe my channel, and I do more video for maintaining trucks. Okay, thank you guys.